The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has now been fully revealed, and once again, Samsung has showcased the device on its official platform, confirming notable improvements in its latest foldable release. Recently, Samsung rolled out multiple new teasers for the Z Fold 7, including a promotional poster that highlights the updated design of the phone. As part of their most recent campaign, Samsung released another teaser in collaboration with a popular K-pop group. Each member had the opportunity to explore and use the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and their individual reactions were clearly distinct.
새로운 폴더블 폰. 어디?
실물 깡패 정말 얇아요.
이게 폰인가?
완전 기대 이상입니다. 그립감이 너무 좋아요.
패션 완성템이 된 것 같아.
셀카 사진 더 늘겠는데요?
반했어요. 그냥 지금 바로 바꾸고 싶을 정도로.
The teaser, which runs for approximately 31 seconds, presents the device inside a large box. Now, new information about the Galaxy Z Fold 7's wireless charging has emerged thanks to a recent certification. An unannounced Samsung device bearing the model number SMD637U was spotted in the Wireless Power Consortium WPC database, as reported by 9to5 Google. While Samsung typically doesn't use the SMDXX format for phone model numbers, it previously used SMD67D as a placeholder for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, officially SMF946B. This suggests that SMD637U is likely the SMF967U, the US carrier-locked version of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. According to the listing, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is certified under Qi 2.1.0, making it Samsung's first foldable to be Qi 2 ready. This means it supports the magnetic power profile, MPP, requiring compatible cases with built-in magnets. Several leaks have already given us a fair idea of what these phones might look like. But now, a new leak from reliable tipster Ice Universe has revealed the possible dimensions of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might measure 158.4 millimeters tall, 143.1 millimeters wide, and just 3.9 millimeters thick when unfolded. For comparison, the Z Fold 6 is slightly smaller at 153.5 by 132.6 by 5.6 millimeters, and the Galaxy Z Fold SE, or W25, is around 157.9 by 142.6 by 4.9 millimeters. So clearly, the Z Fold 7 is expected to be both taller and wider, while also being significantly thinner. What really stands out is the thickness, or rather, the lack of it. Ice Universe claims that the Z Fold 7 could be the thinnest foldable phone ever, with a thickness of only 3.9 millimeters when unfolded and 8.9 millimeters when folded. That's incredibly slim for a foldable device.